guys, it's your own boy, the one-oi Great Dane, back with day 534 Star Drop opening, and so I'll be starting off with this daily gift here for day 2 on the advent calendar. Got really laggy all of a sudden. Rare 50 coins. A sudden lag spike there, I have no idea why. But I also have to claim the 8 daily wins to get the 3 daily star drops, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, for the first daily star drop, for rare, 25 power points, onto super rare of 100 coins, and an epic of 100 blings, okay I guess. So in the mode selection, again we have Arcade coming in about a week. We have Carry the Gift, Metal Madness, and Paintball, Grease Paint Grass. And I think these maps are rotating every 2 days if I'm not mistaken. You have Brawl Ball 5v5 Suspenders, and Knockout Temple of Room, which looks like a pretty fun map, but again I don't really play Knockout, so nothing too special besides that. Got the Pizza Planet thing coming in about a week as well, when we have our 2v2 modes come in. If I open up this shop here, we have a special offer, $10 for 255 gems, which apparently is 28% extra, but those percent amounts are usually wrong anyway. Still have these newer skins in the shop. You have a new offer for 50% off El Rey Primo, but being an epic skin, I'd rather wait and try to get that for free if possible. Still have some of these Christmas skins in here. I have a daily freebie of 5 credits, as well as 60 XP doublers. But I don't think too much else is going on. So as of today, I have 2,923 XP doublers and 111,591 power points that I just can't seem to use on anything. Again, by the time I'm uploading these, this will probably be the last video I'll get out when I finally get them all out, so I'm a day late for Christmas. However, this is a gentle reminder that the link and QR code I'm providing in what would have been yesterday's, even though I'm uploading them all pretty much at the same time, on the Christmas video, you can only get those 3 additional presents until the end of today, so make sure to use that link or QR codes. Again, you'll probably have a few hours by the time I finally get to that video, or I'm thinking at least 6 hours hopefully, to use that if you haven't used another YouTuber's link or QR code yet for those 3 additional presents. So again, hopefully some of you can make use out of that. In fact, I'll actually be able to see if people are. I know I was able to use it myself because it's my own link, of course. But again, let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if you plan on purchasing any of these new skins in the shop. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.